section 6. Within this video, we will discuss one is this palette creation tool. Second is this format painter is the third button in the top row. So let's go to see the content of that. So how to make this creation a part of the selection. So let's go to the Archi. So we introduce this two button that will be later on. So all these icons are the selection. Below the selection is the creation area. From here is you have this 11 the relationship. Although it's a 13 icon, is because first one is the magic connector, which is I use quite a lot. The last one is the junction. So only in this middle, the 11 one are the Archimate relationships, and the sequence of that is also based on the specifications, some meanings. For example, this composition has more stronger than the aggregation, stronger than the assignment, and stronger than this realization. So, and the most weakest the relation in the Archimate specification is this association. So that is the several type of the relation and junction. The magic is used to draw the connection, and they will give you this list of the valid the relation. The top part, this upper part is from your source and target. The lower part is if you switch on the direction. So, for example, is if from the CRM to this node to our application, this interface, we have a realization, serve, trigger, flow. So if I select that, is the flow's direction is coming to here. But if you select from the bottom part, like this flow, then that means this you create our vice versa direction. So that is a convenience for. But if you already know is I want to have this serving from the application components to the interface, you just choose this serving. You hover that is you can read this text, or as we mentioned, is right click is you can make the layout, then give you the detailed information if you want. These nodes and group are not in the repository or not in your model. It's only in the view related this element. So if I drag a group here, this group is only in this view, not in any other view, not in model tree. Below that is we have the specialized elements, and we're starting to have these others. So those location and grouping are belong to other folder. So if you drag a location, it's like it's to create a new location element under other folder. Those starting is the strategy layer, business layer, application layer, technology layer, physical layer. So these are same in the layer in the Archimate, so the color is the same, and the motivation aspects and the implementation and the migration layer. So all of them are able to drag and drop. And subset of this element will only be available if current view is restricted to our given viewpoint. What's that mean? So if I later is we can mention those viewpoint. So now I have some application layer and those this technology layer. Maybe it's I can choose some let me see, technology viewpoint that will have these technologies element and the locations is highlight, and this application layer is gray out. And here is just a subset. Those subset are the element from the specification define this allowed you to use within this technology waypoint. If you have interest, you can watch my another course is the modeling Archimate specification using the ontology view. So that is I discussed is different waypoint, their purpose, their scope, and their relationship in quite the detail one by one. But just for now on is we will talk about waypoint in chapter 7. So now let's just leave this waypoint in none and hold the shift is a select tool is will lock this selection. So like is if I hold shift and I put is the business process, because sometimes is I want to create numbers of the business process with the several steps. So you just hold that. You can see is keep this select. Then you just single click is you can keep creating those elements. You don't need to drag and drop. You just click. Once you finish create enough numbers of this same element type, is just use the ESC. So come to here, ESC, then that is unlock. Sometimes I also use this locking the things is to make like is I have for my application. This application serve those different process. I want to use this shift and hold this serving. So then this I can starting to drag that without back to here to click that again. So if you don't have that, is you once you finish one, then you need to come to here, click. So that is our conveniences for this hold shift keys, the purpose. So I suggest is you can practice and you can find out is what is the usage for you. So now is I create our busy relationship now. And second part is this format painter. So let's finish this one. So it's this one. So format painter, click on an element or connection to make that copy the format. It's just the format copy. So you may familiar with that in the once you use the multiple the Office tools. Rate of this is first select this one. So and it will be appear as the gray. So if you want to paint is the this all this business application also using this application color, so you can paint. Click that, you can see your brush is getting the blue. Then you can put that is keep paint. Then they will use the same color. Once you finish that is because even this you uncheck this one, next time you click that is you can see it's still remember your last time's format, because that is always use that. So double click this, make sure it's getting gray. So not only the color will be used, is also if you have something is like from here is I made some time this bold to, maybe it's bigger and change our text. So this one now is I have that and make this paint and get that. And now is I will have those paint format to the any other one. It's not only have those color but also your font. So if you have any other appearance related, like is I want to line text in the left, or I have some icons color or different the line spaces, those are able to be copy paste to this different element. Once you finish that is double click, then it will be unchecked. So with that is we have introduced these two parts is the creation something and then use this format paint. Now all the buttons in this palette have been introduced. Next one is we will starting to use the view and use the palette to make our the modeling work. See you then. Bye for now.